Hey y'all, we're Toys, and today we are bringing you Elmo! Elmo's Dragon Adventure Building Set by Kids Connects. This Elmo really talks! And he has a dragon! The back of the box, different examples of what you can build with this set. So what do you say, guys? Let's open the box. Wow, look at all these parts. A dragon's head. Parts of Elmo's shining armor outfit. Ages 2 to 5. It tells you all the pieces and how many of each piece. So cool! It's Elmo and a horse, the dragon. It's Abby. This Elmo really talks. And how to make him talk is you press down here. Let's start building him. These are the pieces that you're going to need to build Elmo. One, two feet. These pieces have an image. The first piece with nothing on it is the first one to go in. Then it's this one. Then this one. Finally this one. Now let's do the face. Next come his eyes. Elmo, the knight in shining armor. Next, his hands. Ta-da! How does our Elmo look? To make him talk, you tap his head. Hi everyone! Let's do more games together. Remember, we can use our guide to help us with the dragon as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start with the feet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are our legs. In order to build our dragon, we get our feet, then we get this piece, it fits right in, then we get this piece, it's thinner, for the feet, one goes here, this piece will help connect. This is where the tail goes. You can bend the tail up or down. The only thing missing, it's his face. How do our Elmo and Dragon look, guys? Super, super cool. Elmo's ready for battle to save the princess. And our dragon! He can be made in so many different ways. This is just an example of what you can do. All you need is a little bit of imagination. Let's take a closer look at Elmo. His face. If you press down, Elmo talks! His hands. His feet, and our dragon. His feet, 4 of them, his tail. Hi everybody! Elmo and his dragon can be made in so many different ways. All you need is a little bit of imagination. This has been Toys, 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 and today we have been playing with Elmo and his dragon! Please subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. See y'all later. Bye!